a.m. Please keep your seatbelts fastened and carry-in items stowed until the seatbelt sign is turned off. Be careful when opening overhead bins. Items tend to move during flight. If this is your final destination on JetBlue, we'll get you a carousel for your bags in just a few moments as soon as the doors open. For those of you that have a receipt that says claim at gate, you may claim those items outside the front aircraft door. For those customers needing special assistance in deplaning the aircraft, please remain comfortably seated once you've arrived at the gate so that we may better assist you. At this time, you're welcome to use your cell phone if it is readily accessible. The next time you're online, please visit jetblue.com for news.